Alright, I had to shut off Glenn Beck, sorry. This is the new board. Everything's finally running. Now the problem was I had to add a ground wire from the cap's negative down to the ground plane near the Irams part. Once that's done, the whole board is fine. So it's running the motor, and it's been running for a little bit now. And so that's all good. So these new boards, the only thing they need is a wire. That's it. And so that's pretty cool. The prototype that I tested literally blew the traces right off the board, but that's not happening now because the 154 volt DC from these guys here has a way to get down to the Irams to run the motor. So we're still running, and we're still spinning all the stuff. Let me take you around back again. I noticed I got a little wobble in the flywheel back there. It may have come unglued, or not unglued, but unscrewed a little bit. So anyway, let me increase the speed a little bit here. So we're zipping right along. That's probably about 300 to 400. And let me do one more thing here. Let me measure the... Where the hell? I've got to find my ammeter here. There it is. .3 amps. Wow. 0.26. That's pretty good. So let's try one more thing here. Let me try finding out what the speed is. Okay. So that's 230. So 0.3. So I've knocked it down by about 20 mils to run the motor. And the original board was this monster board. I know you've seen that before. But so that's all down. I've taken that almost, I don't know, 12 by 16 board down to a 7 by 7. So I think I'm going to sell these boards. And I've created a whole list of parts from DigiKey. Comes out to about $92 minus the fan and the heat sinks. Anyway, so that's what we got.